Welcome back to another episode of Willis Talk. And this hood has breathers on it too. It is a 1954 Ford 300. And what I mean by breathers is these in the hood. You know, you wouldn't want that around the coastline where this is, but sort of. It's over here, closer to the coast than it should, but man, is in decent, beautiful shape. Not an ounce of rust, and probably did have a lot of rust when they first started. Most of these cars do. It takes love, effort, motivation, determination, scouting, and that's just part of it. That doesn't even explain finding all the parts, which is sometimes just pure luck. To make such a beautiful machine once more run and look wonderful. So please, when you're at car shows or somebody's showing you one of their wonderful creations that they've remade, refixed, please respect them and their work. Don't touch. Until next time, this is Willis signing off.